Good morning, students. I hope you all have solved the questions which were given to you. Now we will talk about presentation of data. Presentation of data can be done in two ways, either textual and the second way is tabular. Textual, it means by text, and the tabular, it means in the form of a table. So it can be done in two ways, either as text. This is called descriptive presentation, and the other, that is called the tabular presentation. And there is one more type of presentation, that is called the diagrammatic presentation. First one is textual presentation, or the presentation done in text. It is a descriptive presentation. In this, the figure is, or the data is presented in words as sentence. Just like one example is given here, that is, in a strike call given by the trade unions of shoemaking industry in the city of Delhi, 50% of the workers reported for the duty, and only 2 out of the 20 industries in the city were totally closed. This is a type of textual presentation. Here the figures are given, but these are presented in words. The second example, that is, survey conducted by a non-government organization revealed that in the state of Punjab, area under pulses has tended to shrink by 40%, while the area under rice and wheat has tended to expand by 20% between year 2001 to 11. This is another example of textual presentation where the data is presented in text. Here the data was about the increase in the area of pulses and decrease in the area of pulses and increase in the area of rice and wheat in the year 2001 to 11. So that is presented in the words, in text. Now, when we can present the data like this in words? It is suitable when the quantum of data is not very large. It means the volume of data what you are presenting is very small. When you have the smaller data and the part of subject matter of study becomes a useful supportive evidence to the text. So when you have a smaller data, at that time you can use this textual presentation. If you have the bigger data, then it is not possible for you to present in text, because that will go very long. So whenever you have a larger data to present, then you need to present it either a tabular method or by diagrammatic. So the most convenient way is to present in tabular way. It means to make by making a table. In the table there are the column, we have the column in this way. These are called the horizontal column, and if the column are like this, these are called the vertical columns. These are called the columns and these are called the rows. These vertical dissections are called columns and the horizontal dissections are called the rows. Now, how to make a table? For that you need to understand the components of the table. On the table, first what we have, whenever we make a table, the first thing that you should write is table number. This is the first component of table number. After table number, you should write title. What is the title? It means about what you have collected the data, on which topic, on which subject you have collected the data. Just like suppose you have collected the data for the production of